Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I will share with you on how to fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark on Android. Now, the first thing you have to do is to click on your profile icon here. So you're going to see the gear icon at the top right corner. Click on it. From here, you click on General. You're going to see Appearance, the first option here. So when you click on it, you're going to see Use Device Theme, Light Theme and Dark Theme. So you just click on Light Theme. Automatically you're going to have light theme like this. The next thing you can do is to go out from your YouTube app, click steadily on the YouTube app. You're going to see App Info. Click on the App Info. From here, you just click on Storage and Cache, and you can now clear your cache. After clearing your cache, you have to go back. Also, make sure that your YouTube app is updated. Just go to your Play Store app. So right here, you search for your YouTube. So when you search for it, you're just going to make sure it's updated by clicking on the update option here and updating it to the latest version. So guys, with this you can reopen your YouTube and have full access to the videos there. If this video was helpful, please do well to give all your comments or reports on the comment section and like this video. Thanks for watching.